Let's start question number 5th of exercise 4.2. Question is solve and simplify the following. A part is 3 4 by 5 plus 2 7 upon 10 minus 4 1 by 2. We have to solve and simplify. So first of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So this will be 5 multiplied by 3 plus 4 upon 5. We multiply the denominator by the whole number part and add the numerator to it. So this will be 15 plus 4 upon 5, and 15 plus 4 is 19. So this will become 19 upon 5. Next is 2 7 upon 10. 10 multiplied by 2 plus 7 upon 10. Multiply the denominator by the whole number part and add the numerator to it. So this will be 20 plus 7 upon 10, which is 27 upon 10. And last is 4 1 by 2. So multiply the denominator by the whole number part and add the numerator to it, and denominator will be as it is. So this will be 8 plus 1 upon 2, which is 9 upon 2. Now our question has become 19 upon 5 plus 27 upon 10 minus 9 by 2. The denominators are different. So first of all, we have to make the denominators same. For that, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 5, 10 and 2. So let's start. 5 will be as it is. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction of 19 by 5, 27 by 10 and 9 by 2 with denominator 10. हमें क्या करना है? Equivalent fractions निकालनी है. 19 by 5, 27 upon 10 और 9 by 2 जिसका denominator क्या हो? 10 हो. So by which number I should multiply 5 to get 10? अगर मैं 5 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ तो मेरा डिनोमिनेटर क्या आ जाएगा? 10 आ जाएगा. इसीलिए हमें न्यूमिनेटर को भी क्या करना है? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई. एंड 19 2s are 38. By which number I should multiply 10 to get 10? 10 by 1. Okay, if I multiply 10 by 1, I will get 10. So multiply the numerator also by 1. So this will be 27. And by which number I should multiply 2 to get 10? If I multiply 2 by 5, I will get 10. So multiply the numerator also by 5. This will be 45 upon 10. So our question has become 38 upon 10 plus 27 upon 10 minus 45 upon 10. The denominators are same now, so we solve only the numerators. This will be 38 plus 27 minus 45. Okay, add 38 and 27. 7 plus 8 is 15. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this will be 65 minus 45 upon 10. And 65 minus 45 is 20. This will be 20 upon 10, which is 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. So this will be 2. Okay. So your answer will be 2. So this is A part of question number 5th. Now let's start B part. B part is 5 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 minus 4 5 by 6. We have to solve and simplify. So first of all, we will convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Multiply the denominator by the whole number part and add the numerator to it, and denominator will be as it is. So this will be 10 plus 1 upon 2, which is 11 upon 2, and 2 3 by 4. This will be multiply the denominator by the whole number part and add the numerator to it, and denominator will be as it is. This will be 8 plus 3 upon 4, and 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4. And last is 4 5 upon 6. So multiply 6 by 4 and add 5 to it, and denominator as it is. 6 4s are 24 plus 5 upon 6. This is 29 upon 6. Now we have to simplify 11 by 2 plus 11 by 4 minus 29 upon 6. See, the denominators are different. So first of all, we have to make the denominators same. For that, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. We have to take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers, so LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction of 11 by 2, 11 by 4 and 29 by 6 with denominator 12. हमें 11 by 2, 11 by 4 और 29/6 की इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालनी है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो, 12 हो. ठीक है, हमें क्या करना है, इनकी इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालनी है जिनका डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो, 12 हो. तो मैं 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं कि मेरे पास 12 आ जाए. इफ़ आई मल्टीप्लाई 2 by 6 आई विल गेट 12. So multiply the numerator also by 6. So this will be 66/12. By which number I should multiply 4 to get 12? If I multiply 4 by 3, I will get 12. So multiply the numerator also by 3. So this will be 33/12. And by which number I should multiply 6 to get 12? If I multiply 6 by 2, I will get 12. So multiply 29 also by 2. Okay, so this will be 58/12. Now our question has become 66/12 plus 33/12 minus 58/12. ये कहाँ से आया हमारा? 11 by 2 अब क्या बन गया है, 66/12. 11 by 4 क्या बन गया है, 33/12. और 29/6 क्या बन गया है, 58/12. Now we have to simplify. See, 66 plus 33 minus 58/12. Denominators are same, so we will solve only the numerators. Add 66 and 33. This will be 99 minus 58/12, and 99 minus 58 is 9 minus 8 is 1, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So this will be 41/12. Convert it into mixed fraction. 12 3s are 36, so 3 5/12. Okay, so this is B part of question number 5. Now let's start C part. C part is 3 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 4 plus 1 7/8. So first of all we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. This will be 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1/2, which is 6 plus 1/2. This is 7/2. Okay, now we will convert 2 3 by 4 into improper fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number part and add the numerator to it, and denominator will be as it is. So this will be 8 plus 3/4, and 8 plus 3 is 11/4, and last is 1 7/8. So multiply the denominator by the whole number part, that is multiply 8 by 1 and add 7 to it, and denominator will be as it is. So this will be 8 plus 7/8, which is 15/8. Okay, now we have to simplify 7 by 2 minus 11 by 4 plus 15/8, because 3 1 by 2 has now become 7 by 2, 2 3 by 4 has now become 11 by 4, and 1 7/8 has become 15/8. See, the denominators are different, so we have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM of the denominators. We will take the LCM of 2 4 and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction of these fractions with denominator 8. हमें क्या करना है, इनकी equivalent fraction निकालनी है जिसका denominator क्या हो, 8 हो. So by which number I should multiply 2 to get 8? If I multiply 2 by 4, I will get 8. So multiply the numerator also by 4. And 7 4s are 28. Okay, next is 11 by 4. By which number I should multiply 4 by which number I should multiply 4 to get 8? If I multiply 4 by 2, I will get 8. So multiply the numerator also by 2. So this will be 22/8. And 15/8 is already having 8 in the denominator. So multiply it by 1 only. Okay, so this will be 15/8. Now our question has become 28/8 minus 22/8 plus 15/8. So this will be 28 minus 22. Now denominators are same. So we will solve only the numerators. So 28 minus 22 plus 15 upon 8. Okay, and 28 minus 22 is 6. 6 plus 15 upon 8, and 6 plus 15 is 21. So this will be 21 upon 8. Now divide 21 by 8. 8 2s are 16. So this will be 2 5 upon 8. So this is C part of question number 5th.